Hey everyone, welcome back to Just Bastion RC, and today we're going to try the Sledgehammer belted tires out on the Xmaxx. We posted a short on this a little while ago, but today we're going to go ahead and give them a run. But right away, the initial run, you can tell that they don't balloon as much, obviously, because they are belted. Now I went ahead and bought these because they were on sale, which they're still pretty spendy tires. I do enjoy the Xmaxx a lot. It's one of my favorites for sure. Like you guys saw on a couple videos ago, the XRTs we had out. I did have a wide max Xmaxx that I ended up getting rid of. I figured, what the heck, might as well get rid of it if you have an XRT. All right, so it might be a little windy. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can do some backflips with these tires or not. Nice. They do seem to grip pretty well, these tires. Oh, roll. Okay, so we did it. You go ahead and rotate the jump a little bit. Nice. Now, I do have these shocks set up pretty good on here. I don't remember what I put for weight in them, but oh, right on the cement. We landed it, and I got this little piece of cement here. It did go ahead and land on that, but I think we're okay. Yeah, we're all right. Okay, so we went ahead and angled this a little bit better, so we're not aiming right for the cement pad. We're gonna see what we can get for launch wise. I really enjoy the Xmaxx as well. Oh, nice. I should actually build a couple more jumps with my tractor. Pretty much build them however big I want here, but nice. And there's my dog. Oh, we're getting some big air here with these tires on it. Solid. Nice. All right. That was close. Oh! Something just happened. I'm not sure what happened there. As you can see, it just stalled in midair. That was kind of a rough landing, and the paint's all flaking off. Not really sure what's going on here. All right, so we have steering. Battery, one of the batteries came loose. Maybe that's what it is. Can turn it on and off. Try it again. That was a pretty bad roll there, but that's one of the bad things about power turning off. So this was my cool body. It's kind of getting destroyed now, but that's okay. Let's see what we got going on now. Let's see if it works. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened there, really. Yeah, seems to be okay now. Wonder if it had to do something with the battery coming loose, or we're catching some big air now. That's one thing I love about the jump and the Xmaxx. This is what this jump's mainly big for, is the bigger cars. Oh man, I love jumping this thing. There it is. There's a backflip. Wasn't sure if I'd be able to do it with the extra weight of the belted tires. And again. Oh man, I love the Xmaxx. That was boring. Oh, I don't know what's going on. It did it again. So my ESC is loose, but I don't know if that has anything to do with anything. All my motor wires are good. Turn it on and off again, see what happens. Okay, so it seems to be okay. This might be a little bit of a longer video. We'll see if we can get these batteries to last a little bit longer, but oh wait, as I say that, there it is, my batteries are dead. Here's my Xmaxx video with the Sledgehammer belted tires. I really like this thing. The tires are a little bit extra if you're trying to do backflips and stuff, but they do handle really well. But thanks for watching. I really appreciate all of you, and we'll see you in the next video.